Did you ever pause to ponder why we call a group of lions a pride? Well, brace yourselves for a fascinating linguistic safari through the wild kingdom of animal group names. Imagine a pride of lions, their regal demeanor and fierce unity warranting a term that evokes dignity and majesty. This terminology isn't merely a random choice, it's a reflection of the lion's historical representation as a symbol of pride across numerous cultures. Now, consider the term school for a group of fish. This terminology hails from Old English, where the word skull originally meant a troop or multitude. The collective behavior of fish, moving in unison as if guided by an unseen conductor, evokes the image of a disciplined troop, hence the term school. Then, there is the parliament of owls, a term that seems to personify these night dwellers. The term is a nod to the owl's reputation as a symbol of wisdom, a trait often associated with deliberative assemblies like parliaments. Venture further, and you'll encounter a murder of crows, a term that dates back to folklore where these black birds were considered omens of death. Contrast this with the light-hearted gaggle of geese, a term derived from the Middle English word gaggle, which means to cackle. Look up, and you might see a tower of giraffes, a name that vividly captures the towering stature of these graceful creatures. Hop along with a troop of kangaroos, join a party of peacocks. Shudder at an unkindness of ravens, a term that echoes old superstitions about these birds. Plunge into the waters and you'll find a shiver of sharks, a name that perfectly encapsulates the fear these creatures can evoke. On land, a coalition of cheetahs mirrors the cooperative nature of these fast felines. And if you hear a thunderous crash, it could well be a group of rhinos. From the graceful charm of hummingbirds to the peculiar knot of toads, each group name paints a vivid picture, offering a glimpse into the behavior and characteristics of these animal groups. So, the next time you spot a flamboyance of flamingos or a quiver of cobras, remember, these names are more than mere labels. They are linguistic gems, steeped in history and folklore, painting a vibrant picture of the animal kingdom. Each term is a testament to the rich tapestry of language and the fascinating world of animals that it helps us describe.